So ayun guys, kasi nga si Riley ay na-bump niya yung head niya. So papunta kaming x-ray ngayon. So kukuha na siyang x-ray. Kasi hindi muna daw CT scan kasi hindi advisable sa radiation. So kailangan muna namin siyang i-observe ng 24 hours kung magkakaroon siya ng complaint, vomiting, headache, mga ganun. So sana wala naman. So for now, x-ray lang muna. Ayan. Pagkita na natin.
That actually super big.
Ganun.
Oh, God.
Ay, laki.
Don't touch it.
O, next time, huwag ka nang malikot ha. O, let's go to the x-ray na. Yeah, I will stay here.
Okay. Like that state, okay?
Don't move.
On the chat, and we'll come back. Don't move, bro, okay?
Close ready.
Okay.
Done.
Next sound. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Just relax, Riley, ha?
Don't move, okay?
Just relax. Don't be scared. Only picture.
See for me.
Ayan, pasaway kasi.
Okay, tapos na.
Tapos na.
Yeah. Thanks for you. Bye.
Thank you, pare.
Now,
Okay.
this your scalp. This your
Tissue, see? Go
very
ahead.
strong.
Thank you, brother.
Welcome.
So, ayun guys, tapos na yung x-ray. So, let's go back to the doctor na. And then, the doctor will check your x-ray. I think your skull is good, bro. Because matigas ang ulo mo. So, we hope they will just give you medicine.
Thank God my skull didn't crack.
Yeah.
If
The
it
doctor.
did, I would be dead by now.
Don't say that.
Because when it cracked, it's maybe one of the bones is sharp and it might dose up my brain.
Yeah. So, go. Go back to the
Thank
doctor.
God, bro.
Hi guys, punta na kami yung pharmacy.
Yeah,
So,
we're gonna get some medicine.
kwento mo sa kanila paano ka nagkabukol. Kwento mo sa kanila. Hawak mo to.
If you guys wonder why I got a bukal, you know, I was just like playing around with my friend Noah, running around, and then when I was chasing Noah, a bug literally snuck upon me. Then it went to my heel right here, and then I tripped, and then the bag was so strong that it literally forcefully pushed me down into the ground. That's why I have a big hump right here. Maybe like here. Like, it's true, for real true. And my dad said it's blood, but not actually. There's no actual blood. Just a big old hump. This is just very big as the moon. I'm just kidding. It's kind of big as a tennis ball. Kind of. Yeah. So that's the story. How I got this bukol.
Be ready. And take your medicine there.
Hi guys, I'm now done at the hospital. Now I'm gonna be ordering some pizza. Tasty pizza. Of course, my favorite pizza. Honey pizza, pepperoni pizza. You already know that because you vlog a lot of videos about that, right?
Hi guys, ito na yung batang makulit na nagkabukol. Balaki ng bukol. And kumakain na siya ng paborito niyang mga pizza. Tapos na kami sa hospital.
Go!
So ayan, kumakain na siya.
Look at that. Did I spread it
So
well?
ayun lang naman na appreciate ko din dito sa Saudi Arabia.
Did I spread it well?
Kasi libre. Wala kang babayaran talaga. From check-up, gamot. So kahit anong gagawin na special procedure, wala kang babayaran.
Dad. Oh, that was long.
Sige na. Ayan, kumakain na yung batang makulit. Next time, huwag ka na malikot ha.
Okay, ba?
Yan, sige.
Can I spread this well?
Pagka nagkulit ka pa next time, bukol mo, dodoble na yung bukol mo.